Welcome back to the kitchen to another dish, tank top cooking. Okay, right on. You're gonna need some olive oil. Grab yourself some chicken broth. You're gonna need some cornstarch for this one here. Some black pepper, some salt. Grab yourself some butter, some parsley flakes. Okay, now this might be a cardinal sin, but grab yourself some garlic cloves. And if not, hey man, you know what I'm using? I'm using herb and garlic. It's epicure, so it's gotta be good here. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of roasted too, okay? Right on. Okay, good stuff. Okay, now grab yourself some soya sauce. Okay, this is actually kind of a honey garlic recipe, but you know what, man? We're gonna use some plum sauce. Improvisation, my friends. Okay, right on. Grab yourself 4 or 5 potatoes, some carrots, some mushrooms, some chicken wings is the way I'm going on this one, man. But you know what I'm going with? I'm going with 4 of these packets plum sauce. And then what you're going after is about 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Chop up about 4 or 5 potatoes. Grab yourself a casserole dish. Toss your potatoes in there. Okay, now we're going after, oh geez, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Touch of salt. Not too crazy, don't get carried away on the salt there. And some pepper. Some black pepper there. Toss that in there. Probably about, teaspoon-ish. Preheat your oven to 200. Okay, once you got that bad boy fired up to 200 degrees. Yeah, so once you got that fired up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit here, boom, 30 minutes on the potatoes. Boom, grab your skillet. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, heat that up to about medium. With your olive oil there. Take your chicken. And boom. Oh yeah, this looks good. Okay. You know, you could do these with chicken breasts too. I'm kind of loosely basing this off a recipe that I got from someone I won't name just quite yet. Delicious. Okay, and what we're going after is we just want to brown these up here and whatnot. Alright, so you probably want to go about 4 or 5 minutes aside and get that all like browned up, washed up. Okay, once you got them all seared up to your liking there, it'll probably take 4 or 5 minutes aside. Just set them aside for a bit. Okay, then wash up your carrots there and chop up, oh geez, probably about a cup of carrots. I'm using 3 big carrots. Completely optional, but I'm going with 5 mushrooms, 5 white mushrooms. Chop those up. Oh yeah, I love mushrooms. But if you don't like mushrooms, don't use them. Your call, man. Okay, get your skillet up to medium there again. And boom. Throw in your carrots and mushrooms. Okay, and what we're doing here is we're just kind of trying to get these little kind of crisp up a little bit here. Alright guys, okay, kind of what you're going after. You see this kind of carrot? Like you know, kind of not burnt, but kind of getting a little burnt. That's kind of what you're going after there, right? Like that guy. Right there. Oh yeah, that's the guy. Toss in a 1/4 cup of butter. Okay. This might be a cardinal sin, guys, but throw in some garlic. Oh, you're probably going after about 4 or 5 cloves. So yeah, toss that in there. Okay. I'm improvising a little bit. So what I am throwing in is about the same with some red pepper. Or some roasted red pepper, that is. Okay. And some roasted garlic. Okay. Boom. Those potatoes. Pull them out. Then you're going after about, oh geez, a 1/2 cup of honey. I'm improvising, guys. I'm all about improvisation. I'm using some syrup, eh? Why not? It'll work, man. Okay, cool. Right on. Grab yourself some. Oh, you probably want to go 2 tablespoons of soya sauce here. Again, you know what I'm throwing in? Throwing in about 1/2 of that. Just some Worcester sauce. Oh yeah, it'll be good. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch here, guys. I'll show you what we're doing. We're kind of ruining it a little bit. Not ruining it, ruin it. Okay? So get that in there like that. And then just kind of stir it up. Oh yeah. Oh, this smells delicious. Okay, you want to throw in, oh geez, about a tablespoon of parsley. Okay, mix that in there. Oh yeah. Throw in about, oh geez, about a tablespoon of basil. Okay guys, just a dab. Louisiana hot sauce. Okay, right on. Now, grab your chicken and your carrots and throw them back in your casserole dish. Okay, now once you got that all bubbling and all nice and a little bit thickened up, not too thickened up, but your honey and your syrup if you're using syrup. Let's take that off. Grab your casserole dish with your chicken, and then boom, just over the top. Cover that chicken and your potatoes and your carrots, and oh yeah. And then put them back in your oven there at 200, and we're going to go for 45 minutes ish, thereabouts, maybe an hour, and boom, dig in. Throw in a little bit more soy sauce too, man. Oh yeah, would you look at that? Okay, right on. That has been about 58 minutes in there. And they're looking pretty good. Alright. Time for the moment of truth. The edibility factor. Okay. Start with this chicken. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. I'm telling you, these are delicious, man. I'm telling you, man, if you don't have honey, use maple syrup, man. It works. It's good. Actually, try them with maple syrup, man. They're awesome, man. Man. This is pretty damn good. Great. Now, I'm going to give the potatoes a try here, okay? Very good. Crispy, you know, a little crunchy. And like I was saying, I did them 58 minutes with that half hour before, but low heat. They're good. Really good. Awesome. Syrup wings, man. Deadly. Give them a try, man. Yeah, it was based off of honey garlic. But hey, you know what, man? Mix it up, man. Give it a try, man. That's what cooking's all about. Is creating your own mojo and going from there. So you know how it is. Once, twice, 3, 4 times a week. Drop a vid, man. So if you like what you see, give me a big thumbs up. And yeah, subscribe if you like, man. And we'll see you next week, man. Or in a couple days, that is. Be calm. Keep cool. Till next time.